In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Sign. Adobe Sign eSignature tool for business. We'll start right in your browser by heading to Adobe Acrobat Home. This is the web hub where Adobe Sign lives, and it's where you can manage documents, send signature requests, and track activity. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your eSign tools. Once you're on the home page, look for the eSign section. Click it to open the eSignature workspace. Think of this as your control center for preparing documents and getting legally binding signatures without printing or scanning. Next, choose Select a File for Request eSignatures. This opens a file picker so you can upload the document you want signed. Browse to your sample file or your actual contract, statement of work, or agreement. PDF is ideal, but common document types are supported. A quick tip before you upload: make sure the document is final and clearly indicates where signatures and dates should go. Clean, well-labeled documents are signed faster and with fewer questions. After selecting your file, click Continue. Acrobat will upload the document and prepare the editor. You'll see a preview of the pages so you can place fields exactly where you need them. Now you'll add your signer. In the recipient area, enter the email address of the person who needs to sign. Be careful with spelling here. An accurate email ensures your request reaches the right person promptly and avoids delays. If you're just testing the workflow, you can use an address you have access to, but in production always use the signer's business email. With your recipient added, choose the eSignature field. This tool lets you place a signature placeholder that the recipient will complete electronically. When the eSignature tool is active, move your cursor over the document to find the spot where the signature should appear, usually on the signature line at the end of the agreement or wherever the form indicates. Click directly on the form to paste the signature field. You can drag it to fine-tune the position and use the handles to adjust the size so it lines up neatly with the signature line. Precise placement helps your signer move through the document confidently and reduces back and forth. That's it for the core setup. You've navigated to Adobe Acrobat Home, opened the eSign workspace, selected your file, confirmed it, added your recipient's email, chosen the eSignature tool, located the signature area, and placed the signature field exactly where it belongs. From here, you're ready to proceed with your usual review and completion process, confident that your document is set up for a smooth, professional eSignature experience.